kids, I'm Miss Joanna. Welcome to our storytelling session. It's story time. It's story time. Look, listen. Wow. Today I'll be reading you a story from the book A Twist of Tales, written by Julia Donaldson. Now I have an activity for you. You're going to draw a headdress for the king. The king, now we know that he has fairy ears, but you are going to design a special headdress for the king, and you're going to design 4 headdresses, one for every season. I'm going to give you an example. The spring season, the headdress is made from spring flowers and painted eggs. Right? Now you're going to do for summer, a headdress for summer, and write what you are going to use for the summer headdress, another headdress for autumn, and again you write what you're going to use for this one, and then Christmas headdress for the king. Then you will send them to us on our page. I hope you enjoyed today's story and you'll join me again for another story. Bye!